Come test drive the 2022 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, integrated turn signal mirrors, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.